Alright, what's up guys? So today we'll be learning about nominal versus real interest rates in macroeconomics. Topic 4.2 or 4.2. So, what are real interest rates? Real interest rates are rates that are the real rate of return on financial assets or from paid back loans. Such as or yeah. These rates are adjusted for inflation, so this can be on things like bonds or stocks or savings accounts, etc. Um, them being adjusted for inflation are one of the things that differentiate the real interest rates from nominal, which we'll see in the next slide. Nominal interest rates are rates one will see when doing business with a financial institution such as this bank. These rates that are paid these rates are paid on loans and they are not adjusted for inflation. So if you were to walk, for example, if you were to walk into a bank today and saw 4.7% interest rates on loans or savings or whatever, this is the nominal interest rate that is being published. So let's learn about the Fisher equation to calculate the real rate of return. It's really simple. It is nominal interest rate is equal to real interest rate plus inflation. Okay, so why we have to know this. So here's an example. Assume that the expected inflation rate is 7%. Over the next 2 years, you want to take out a 2-year loan for a moped, but you will not take out the loan if the real interest rate is more than 4%. What is the highest nominal rate you're willing to pay? So we take our Fisher equation and just plug in the values. It's nominal interest rate is equal to real interest rate plus inflation. 4% is the interest rate you won't pay more than, and the inflation rate is 7%, and it is nominal interest rate is equal to 11%. So here's a practice example for you. It's pretty simple, so feel free to pause the video and try it out. Okay, so let's see what the answer was. So the answer was B. If you got B, you are correct. It is 13% minus 3% is equal to 10%. Just got to plug and chug the values into the formula. If you didn't get that one right, let's try another example. A bank wants a 13% real return on a loan that will be paid back in a year. The bank expects inflation to be 5% during that year. What nominal interest rate should the bank charge? Alright, feel free to pause the video once again. Alright, let's see what the answer is. It is A, 18%, 13% plus 5%. So it's the inflation plus real interest rate is equal to the nominal interest rate in this case. That's it for today. Thank you for coming to my economics lesson.